Hi and hello there, my water signs, Pisces, Scorpio, and Cancer. So ngayon naalamin ninyo? O sige kayo na rito. Aalamin ko para sa inyo. Ayan 'no, pasensya naman 'no. 'Yan, so aalamin natin 'no, for you guys 'no, kung sino itong paparating sa inyo. Please just take only what resonates and feel free 'no, na i-pick up yung mga mensahe na nag-resonate for you. So let us see here 'no. Pisces, Scorpio, and Cancer, may water signs. Who is this person here coming towards you? Thank you so much, Archangel Michael, together with the angel guides and even ancestors of my water signs, Pisces, Scorpio, and Cancer. Who is this person here connecting sa kanilang energies? Who's coming towards my Cancer people, Piscean people, Cancerian people, Scorpio? Definitely whoever this energy is, no, nakita natin dito. This person here ay single, maybe looking for love. Serious itong person na to when it comes to love. Okay, got it. Cross watchers ni Pisces, Scorpio, and Cancer. Welcome ka rin. Okay. We have here this Knight of Coins energy. Kung hindi nyo pa sa mga babes, meron pa po tayong other channel, link down below sa ating description box. Meron din ditong Nine of Swords, Three of Swords, Temperance energy, Two of Cups, Two of Wands, bottom of the deck, High Priestess here, Three of Coins, and the Six of Wands. Okay. Okay. So whoever this energy is coming towards my water signs, ito ay new energy, new person right in here, brand new person here na fresh ang energy. This person ay aside from being serious, this person here also have this pure soul, sincere soul. So whatever this person here ay gagawin for you, matik, makakaasa kang galing yon sa kanyang heart. The intention ay pure. This person right in here no ay someone na nag embodies ng ganong katangian. And this is not just an encounter. This is a fated encounter. Ooh, look at that. Yung tinitimpla pa lang dito ni Universe ang ating ultimate bartender ay templado na. Ayan, hawak na ninyo. Ibig sabihin, no, this person here ay hindi na malayo na makilala mo. This person here ay ang iyong fated lover or partner. So you've been waiting this all your life. Two of Wands energy. Others of you could have tried to search for this person here. Others, no, pwede nga nag-try kayo na hanapin siya, no, nag-join kayo sa mga dating apps, no, but this person is not there, no, or you can't find one, okay, even having dates, setups, diba? So whatever, you've tried those things, but it didn't work. And then, nung nag-give up ka, nakita kita dito, no? After you've given up right in here, then, there's this bridge of events or situations na nag-start na mangyari naturally in the background, no? Just don't force it, you know. Don't force it, Pisces, Scorpio, and Cancer. The right one will definitely come kahit hindi mo sila hanapin. So, ito talaga hindi mo to hinanap. Dumating lang talaga siya sa life mo. Okay. So, yung iba sa inyo na nakita natin dito na talagang na-stress talaga kayo sa love because you thought no na yung love ay hindi for you or love is definitely no para lang sa mga maswerte sa love. No, uy, sino nagsabi, 'di ba? Hindi yan para swerte lang dito or luck, no, na bagay or thing, no. Love is definitely for everybody. Okay? So, don't think yung ganong klase ng pag-iisip. Okay? And, mami-witness mo yan, makikita mo yan, malalaman mo yan. Okay? Dahil makikita mo itong tao na to, makikilala mo siya in person. Okay? This person right in here ay someone na nahanap ka. You know? From the looks of this is the other half of your heart. Okay? You guys could be soulmates right in here. Okay? Nakita ko na magbe-build kayo ng strong foundation with this Three of Coins energy with this person. And quietly na mafe-feel ninyo yung presence ninyo for each other ay sadyang kakaiba. So I do pick up no na sa kahit na anong situation when you start to see each other here no as a man or as a woman to fall in love with, things will start to change naturally, not by force. Okay, with the Six of Wands energy, I do see that whoever this energy is or this individual coming your way, this person here palagi ninyong pipiliin ng isa't isa. This person here will not be that kind of person, no, na gagawin kayong options. This person right in here ay someone na nakikita ko rito, no, na laging pipiliin ka. Oh, palagi. Babalik sa yakap mo. You know, kahit na magtapon pa si universe ng mga pagsubok, the desire, the temptations, this person hindi siya mahuhulog doon. This person here ay hindi marupok. Hindi marupok. But this person here ay very solid. Okay? And this person here ay also very intuitive. This person here na listens with the guidance of the universe. This person here might not watch tarot readings just like you, but this person here no ay may fear kay God. Okay? May fear kay God. No? So, however this energy is, this person here, siya ang makakahanap sa'yo. So, just stay still. Don't do anything. Okay? Especially, no, kung ito ay chasing another energy like Kogiso. Stop right there, no? Because this person here will find you. Siya ang makakahanap sa'yo. Ikaw ang matatagpuan niya. This fated person right in here is none other than your person. Okay, this person here will heal the wounds of your past traumas when it comes to love. And not just that, okay, hindi ka na mag-iisa. All of the troubles that you're doing, the solo troubles, or yung iba no nakiki-third wheel sa mga kaibigan nila na may boyfriend, girlfriend. Hindi yung third wheel na third party, ibig ko sabihin 'di ba, sa mga gala ng mga friends ninyo na may mga jowa na minsan sumasabit kayo, "Sama naman ako diyan," 'yan oh. Ngayon hindi na, dahil may makakasama na kayo, 'yan oh, sarili niyong person ito 'no. Kayo pa rito yung nakikita ko kapag may friend kayo na gustong sumama sa mga lakad ninyo, "Ay, kami muna ngayon be." Hindi ka muna kasama, you know. So ibig sabihin nakita ko rito na you will now have this companion, and this is not just for temporary because this person here will be your companion in every travel that you want to do, whether that's for vacation travel or business trips. This person here will be with you. Okay, so whoever this energy is, high chance that you're gonna meet this person here in a workplace setup, or maybe someone from your work, could be a colleague, baka ma-meet mo no dito sa mga friends mo na mga katrabaho mo rin, or because of your work. Okay, or maybe because of your boss, you're gonna meet this person right in here. There's these connections related with money, and whoever this energy is, I do see that this person here is someone who's quiet and a little shy, not super shy, konti lang. Para malinaw, okay. So ever this energy is, this person right in here that I'm seeing, okay, I do see you guys praying at night, but not asking for someone to come, but praying because you're thankful, okay? Thankful that this person here finally dumating sa life mo. That this person here is now nasa life mo. Yan. Yun na yung pinagdadasal mo because natupad na yung dasal mo. Because natupad na yung dasal mo slash wish mo. 'Di ba? Wow, Pisces, Cancer, and Scorpio. Ang ganda naman nun, no? And from the looks of this, no, the earliest possible time frame that I'm seeing dito, hindi ako palagi nakakita ng time frame, especially, pero pag nakikita ko dito yung span, binabanggit natin yun. So, the earliest that I'm seeing that this person here ay coming 2 months. Okay, you're gonna meet this person here within 2 months from now, or before 2 months right in here, or bago mag 2 months, bahala kayo. That's the earliest possible time frame para sa iba sa inyo. Okay, so I do see that whoever it is coming towards you, this person here is not someone na madali rito, no, na susuko sa inyo. Hindi siya yung ganong klase ng tao. Okay, so this person right in here ay someone, no, na alam mo, nakikita ko pa nga, no, na mas malakas at mas matapang ang taong ito, no, na ipaglaban ng inyong koneksyon, no, kumpara sa kung paano mo siya nabo-view dito, no? So this person will exceed your expectations when it comes to love. And this person here ay makikita mo dito, no, na siya mismo yung mangunguna, magli-lead in making this connection here, no, mas compact, mas matibay, and mas talaga, no, na magsa-stand sa test ng time. This person here, no, nakikita ko dito na may mga bagay na pagkakaiba kayo, pero magkakasundo kayo. Nakikita ko rin dito, no, na palagi kayo magiging puyat because, makakatulog na lang kayo after ninyo magkuwentuhan. Alam niyo yung nakakatulugan niyo na isa't isa dahil nagkukuwentuhan kayo, 'no? Hindi niyo na maalala kung saan part kayo nakatulog because the conversation, 'no, ay very comfortable, 'no? Parang ang sarap niyang kausap, gano'ng klase ng energy, 'no, to the point na ayaw mong mag-good night, na ayaw mong mag-say ng good night, 'no, or matulog, 'yan. Gano'ng klase ng feeling, 'no, because you love the presence of the person, no, and you love exchanging conversations with each other, no, you find it very comforting, and at the same time, no, it's not just anyone nakausap mo, it's your special person. Yes, yes naman. Grabe, in love na talaga yung mga anak ko. Nakaiyak naman. Nanay. So, yun nga, no, nakakita tayo dito, no, ng energies. This person here could be love wearing caps, okay, not the cap na pang pamorma, no, hindi yung cap na parang pang hip-hop, yung cap na parang, parang lang the essential cup, okey, yung parang sinusuot mo lang kasi mainit sa labas, maaraw, gano'n, 'no, 'yan, okey. So, I'm also seeing right in here that this person here could be someone na hindi naman dark yung skin niya, but this person here could be darker than your skin complexion, a little bit. So, these are all the messages we've got right here for you. Water signs, Pisces, Scorpio, and Cancer. For the person here na lumalabas rito na paparating sa'yo. Again, I'm Mariana Ani for the girls in Yana Duna for the boys. Sana yung love and light. Annyeong.